Hello, everybody from beautiful Southwest Colorado. Fairly slow day in the market today. Futures red across the board. Came back to a little bit of a later day bounce, and we're about to go into the Fed meeting, but fairly low volume pre-Fed meeting. A lot of plays not working out. Classic day for shorting, when you got to use the current on your side. So didn't take many trades today. Going to be talking about NVLS, which was just a classic short pattern trade to take, especially on a red market day. I've got the 2-minute time frame pulled up here. As always, I've got the 50 EMA, 9 EMA, and VWAP you'll see on my price pane. MACD and volume of the RSI down below. Straight up pump, dump, bounce, fade pattern. Straight out of lessons. Teach it every Friday in the lessons over at Decmar Trades. I wish I would have saw more people taking this today. I saw a lot of people trying to long this throughout the day with clear-cut short triggers on this. So beginning in the morning, got popped up here. Looks like actually post-market. It might have been pretty, but it's basically, this is something that people were looking at on a technical pattern for a window fill. So if we look here on the daily chart, this is our window. And for a lot of people, what they're seeing is the window is this big space here. And that's not the actual window. That's not what ended up closing anyhow. So as we scroll back and the price came up here and we hit these support levels, even from a long time ago, it didn't take much, and that was where the window closed, right there at 372. So I'm going to go back to the 2-minute chart here. So we have this pop up this morning, and it goes into a straight up pump, dump, bounce, and into the fade pattern. Very easy to read. Had the top end range fail here with a U break fail. So this is a classic what was support right here in the 343 area, 350 basically. See where the tops are, 347, basically almost coming right back to 350. Had the fail here and then cracks the VWAP and goes straight into the pattern that we teach every Friday, or that I teach every Friday over at Decmar Trades. I am putting these videos up. This is obviously, you're at Bigfoot Stock Picks right now seeing this. Bigfoot Stock Picks will be a service coming out in the future where I will be doing more short bias trades probably than long. Probably 70-30. 30% long, about 70% short is where I tend to be. Just real standard pattern today, though. I mean, look at this. I mean, we got the MACD cross here at the VWAP 9 rejection on the first time. Okay, we have a maxed out RSI here at the 92s early on in the game, and we've got a fading RSI through here. Very clear cut short triggers through here. Again, if you were longing this through these short triggers, get with me and get some education so that you're seeing this from both sides. I don't mean get some education like you don't know what you're doing, but what I mean is get some education from the short side so that you're not going in on the long side exactly where many of us are going in short. And we have a much higher probability of winning on the short side than you do. Straight up bump and dump right there at 11 o'clock. Doesn't get more clear cut. We have this first two candle, kind of a harami pattern here. Then we've got this blended candle bearish pattern here with a dark cloud cover. Okay. Then we've got this 2 candle pattern right here, getting more bearish. So the patterns, the bearish candlestick patterns are maintaining while we're heading back into the VWAP. We come up to the VWAP, punctures briefly, which we often see on our bump and dump plays, and then does the rejection for the straight fade. Easy range here from the 334 rejection of the VWAP here down all the way into 304. So where this bottomed out for easy covering. It's coming back right now into 9 and the 50 EMA. And some people will probably still be holding this overnight, may still have another fade into a morning panic sell in the morning to cover into. So, but straight up good play, easy transition from bounce into fade. Easy identifiable top range fail in the morning, and then easy transition play there into the fade. Very clear cut, easy play. A lot of people not seeing this and just being locked into wearing blinders on the long side today and just looking right past the plays that were right in front of them. So if you were one of the people that were doing that were looking right past these easy, clear cut, high probability plays with the market providing tailwind on your side, then stick around for Friday on these lessons, because we're giving you these really nice setups, low risk, high probability setups. One of the benefits of sticking around to the end of the week. So I'm not going to dwell on forever on this one, but this is a straight pump, dump, bounce, fade pattern. Easy transitions, easy range fails, easy to read on the indicators. And congratulations to the students today that cleaned up on this. It was a great moneymaker. So I'm going to sign off here and head down to the river, do a little bit of fishing for the rest of the afternoon. I hope everyone has a beautiful and blessed night. Be safe. God bless. Thank you.